What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to discuss the reasons that I use a virtual private network. So let's get started. Yeah, I find it most beneficial when you're traveling or staying at an airport. The VPN, and the VPN I use is NordVPN, and it prevents people from tracking your internet browser history. It hides your banking information and accounts and your passwords. Basically, it just adds an extra layer of security to your device. With NordVPN, you can install it on up to 6 devices, and including your smartphone, tablets, etc. And what I did was I paid for a 2-year subscription. And yeah, that ran about $100, and so that provides me protection for 2 years. I could put it on my entire family's all of their devices. So a VPN is a virtual private network, and it basically makes you appear that you're in a different location than your IP address really is. So it might show that you're in Canada when you're sitting in, the United States somewhere. And it's just an extra layer of security so people can't track you. And the way NordVPN works is when you connect to one of the VPN servers, it will provide something called A256 encryption, which keeps all of your personal information safe, even if you're on public Wi-Fi, such as airport Wi-Fi or a hotel Wi-Fi. Just anywhere that, yeah, even Starbucks, you got to be careful there. I mean, there could be somebody sitting in Starbucks, trying to fish for people's IP address and hack into their computer, get their credit card information. And yeah, there's some smart hackers out there, and you definitely got to be on guard and got to protect all your information. Good thing about NordVPN is they have 5,600 plus servers to choose from, and I usually choose one that is in the same country so it doesn't slow it down too much. So let's say you choose one in Venezuela, I mean, your download speeds are going to be pretty rough, and so is your upload speed too. Also, I ran a speed test while connected to one that is in the United States, and here was the results. Yeah, it was 93 megabits per second, and the upload was 17.81 megabits per second. And bear in mind, I'm on Spectrum, and I think the cap for me is 500 megabits per second. So, yeah, not the fastest, but still, it didn't slow down too much, but it just gives you that extra safety. All right, everybody, I need you to hit that subscribe button if you've enjoyed the channel. There's a lot of people that watch my videos but haven't subscribed, and it really helps me out so I can make better videos and just to continue to grow this channel. So please hit that subscribe button and that like button if you like the video. Thank you. About 50 different countries you can choose from. All it takes is a click in the left menu there and then connect, and it'll give you an IP address from any of those locations. Yeah, some of the other cool features they have are, threat protection you can turn on. They got MeshNet, which kind of encrypts all your files between your LAN network. They also have dark web monitoring, where it checks to see if your email address is being used in the dark web. You can also customize the appearance of the app. You can make it dark mode or light mode, and you can even refer a friend and get some discounts. And yeah, just a bunch of different good stuff. They even have auto connect there at the top, and that's helpful too, because sometimes I'll just forget to even connect, but I mainly just use it to if I'm about to upload a video or if I'm surfing on an unsecure network. And so, yep, a bunch of good stuff with it. So I would highly recommend it. All right, to sum it all up, basically what you do, there's a list on the very left-hand side of all the countries you can choose to appear in or have your IP address showing from. And yeah, and they also have speed settings, which have servers that are just very quick. Those are usually located close to you. And whenever I'm connecting to the VPN, I usually do auto connect, and I choose somewhere in the United States because I am in the United States. Because the further away that you get from your location, the slower the download speeds are going to get. But it's worth the extra privacy because you don't want all these websites tracking you. It doesn't matter whether you're doing something legal or not. I mean, just period. Like, there's just hackers everywhere, and it just provides safety and keeps your family protected and keeps all your information secure. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please be sure to subscribe and like if you like the video, and please come back for more.